How to enable developers option on Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to enable developer option and how you can safely use that on Android. Let's just get right into it. First thing first, locate your settings menu. In settings, you scroll down all the way until you find About Phone. Tap on it. In some phones, it should be right at the very top of your screen, but in my case, it's at the bottom. From here, what you need to do next is go over to software information down below. Just tap on it. And once you are in software information, you need to find the build number. Just keep tapping it a few times. Provide your fingerprint or PIN. And as you can see here, it's going to ask you for development settings to allow it. Tap on OK. So as you can see right under About Phone, I've got this developers options turned on. Now you can easily edit whatever you would like to do here, but you have to note that messing with these settings could cause apps or even your system to misbehave. So you must know what you're doing to be able to change stuff here. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the